How about a mirror facing the toilet door? Mirror facing the toilet door is not an issue. You just want it to, you just don't want a mirror to be reflecting the toilet bowl. This does not, however, include the mirror that is in the bathroom. I'm talking about, okay, if you can visualize this, if your bathroom door is open, okay, your bathroom door is open, and outside of the bathroom is another mirror. And that external mirror with the bathroom door open actually reflects the toilet bowl. This is an actual situation. I was sitting, I was in my client's dining room, and she had a big mirror hanging on the wall of her dining room. And then off of the dining room is like a powder room, like a three-piece bathroom, right? Three-piece bath. And that three-piece bath, the door was open. From that mirror that's hanging on the wall in the dining room, I can see the toilet bowl. So that is inauspicious. A quick remedy is always to make sure that that bathroom door is closed, but a better remedy is actually to move the toilet bowl or take down the mirror. But my client really, really loved the mirror, and it was an expensive mirror. So the temporary answer to that would be to just close the door.